We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Shib Coin, Shiba Inu, and we're going to talk about some of its price action in the last several days, as well as some updated information and data based off the charts, 42 vision on the 30-minute, and the 1 day and the 4 hour to break down what's going on here and if this is actually going into weakness or showing some strength. But before we break it all down, I would like to share with you guys the home run of the week of the stocks that I mentioned last week going into this week. And if that's something that interests you and you trade stocks apart from crypto, you may want to check out the link down below in the description. And we're going to jump right into it here with Shiba Inu SHIB token. I know I usually talk about the home run of the day, but I want to share with you guys one of the home runs of the week, guys. We have trading opportunities for all types of traders, all types of styles, whether you swing trade, day trade, or long-term invest. There's an opportunity for everyone. And if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So here we are with SLGG. Mentioned it on September 26th last week as it was going into weakness, right? It was sitting at 324, and I was watching also that support there of 291. If we go ahead and look here at the chart, it continued going lower last week, and it hit a low here of about $3, and it hit a low this week so far of 290. And there's that support of 291 that I was looking for, and it shot up quickly for a 10 to 20% jump, pulled back down and hit a high recently in the last 2 days of 360, giving a 25% plus opportunity, almost reaching 30% in just a matter of a few days, guys. So if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. And when you transition this based off of 42 vision, just to give you guys some insight, that right there is the beginning of a reversal, and if it could do a complete shift into a green candlestick, there could be some more strength coming based off the 1 day, and you could see it there when it was going into weakness last week. It finally leveled off, and it's been reversing since then, guys. And these are the opportunities we look for and strive for daily and every single week. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Shiba Inu, and for those of you that thought this could take off a zero and it's now from 5 zeros to 4 zeros, I look forward to seeing how much you're holding, because that is one of the biggest things to be proud of if you're a Shiba Inu holder and you got in early, guys. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this, how many Shiba Inu are you holding, and we have some big news to talk about how many new Shiba Inu holders have been added in the last several days. And comment those rocket ships down below, because if this isn't exciting, I don't know what is. But knocking off a zero, going from 5 zeros to 4 zeros, is a big accomplishment for the ecosystem of Shiba Inu and SHIB holders. The Shiba Inu coin is pushing upwards every single time, more and more as we see it, right? Now, a lot of people say, well, the whale probably came in, he's going to dump, and other whales are going to dump as well. But we're going to look at some data on why that is not a possibility right now, due to the fact that even if they do dump, there's more Shiba Inu holders coming into the ecosystem, into the whole entire SHIB army, the Shiba Inu coin, and it's making a big impact on the growth and further adoption. So we're going to look at all of this in this video. So Shiba Inu is right now holding itself up in that 4 zeros to 5 to 4 zeros and a 3. So this has been a consolidation area and a sign of strength that this isn't losing that 4-0 and going back to 5 zeros, right? We've stated how important that is through this volatility, and in the last video I talked about how if this consolidated in this area or bounced back and consolidated, it would be a sign of strength showing that Shiba Inu is moving upwards in a very natural way and with pure strength. Here on the 30-minute, there's a lot more volatility, but when we switch over to the 4 hour, you will see how much strength Shiba Inu is showing. Now on this side, you're seeing things going into weakness again, It had a nice bounce from here, a reversal, and that's what we were watching last time as well in the last video. And same thing here, it's going downwards but still showing strength because those candlesticks, even though they have red borders, they are green. They have not shifted into red. If they do, then the weakness is coming. But when we shift over to the 1 day, things have been with pure strength. Volume is going down, so this is something to be aware of, and we need to see if it could stay consolidated there or if it's going to do a reversal and go into some weakness, creating an opportunity for even new holders that haven't even joined the Shiba Inu coin or the Shiba Inu ecosystem to go ahead and consider probably trying to catch it on a dip. We don't know how far the dip could be. There is no way to really time a market. Doesn't matter if it's crypto, doesn't matter if it's a stock. At the end of the day, the charts speak for themselves. But if it does pull back, there's a lot of people that are watching Shiba Inu that feel like they missed it and may want to become part of it. And that's going to create an opportunity for those that want to buy a little lower and are feeling a little hesitant because of these prices and this volatility where it's at. But as long as it stays above 4 zeros and a 1, it is showing some strength, and Shiba Inu is not just going up and going right back down to where it all started, which was 5 zeros and an 8 before the rally really took off. I mean, it started way back here at 5 zeros and a 5, 5 zeros and a 6, 7. When we were talking about it, Coinbase, it jumped up, then it pulled back down. But at 5 zeros and an 8 is where it really started to pick up some steam, and the whale news, and then Coinbase, and then further adoption and many other platforms as well that a lot of people aren't talking about because they're not as known. But at the end of the day, the more further adoption, no matter what platform it is, I know Coinbase is a big move, but everything else adds on to the compounding effect of more holders and more further adoption. Let's go ahead and look here at what are some of the reasons that Shiba Inu is still holding itself up and had this rally in the last several hours and days. To start off, it's all starting with the Doge father, okay? And they're basically stating how he does it again, why the pet coin meme crypto's off the leash. And basically, he posted a picture of his Shiba Inu Floki, and then that all ties in with Dogecoin, then Shiba Inu the dog itself, and then Floki the token itself. And that's the name of the Shiba Inu dog that he owns. So it has created so much hype and attention behind all of these Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki that it all started to create that upward pressure. So it all started there. While the new generation of Shiba Inu dog breed inspired cryptos continues to break the charts, the meme coin hype unravels as an influencer dependent community driven market phenomenon. And it all comes down to the fact that Elon Musk recently tweeted, and it's made all of these coins move upwards. And then you can see here how Shiba Inu is one of the highest on the list to go ahead and compete with Dogecoin, which we've talked about time after time, how the Shiba Inu coin is going to be the Dogecoin killer, or at least compete with it. And it's become the 20th largest crypto by market cap. And recently in one of my videos, we talked about the article that came out that it was the top traded cryptocurrency in Coinbase itself. Now, this is big news, guys, and this goes back to what I stated at the beginning, why you should be proud of catching this early. I look forward to seeing how many Shiba Inu tokens you own, how many Shiba Inu coins you are looking to own, and also how far out do you see this going, and your rocket ships down below, because Shiba Inu is growing and expanding on Twitter. It is growing and expanding on different platforms, further adoption, and this right here is a big sign of how much of an impact further adoption has. 30,000 new holders in 2 weeks. And then you also see it in the charts here, how impactful further adoption has been for this coin. Now, things have moved pretty fast. I'm not saying that this can't pull back, and that's why I've completely stated in every single video to be aware that as long as this stays above 4 zeros and a 1, this is showing some strength. If it breaks through that, it may end up back to where it all started, or probably even below it, and this is still a long-term journey. But this is the beginning of some strength that if it can consolidate here and not retest these lows, it is starting the staircase effect that I've talked about, where it can continue compounding over time. So this is big news here. And then we also have here Dogecoin rival Shiba Inu starts trading on Peter Thiel backed cryptocurrency exchange. This is a big news as well, because this all goes back to further adoption, more further exchanges actually using the Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu token, Shiba Inu coin added onto their platform, creating more users to come to them as well. They're using it as a market strategy as well, of marketing themselves and creating new people to try their platforms that they might have never tried, but also creating exposure to people that weren't actually considering it unless it ended up in their own trading platform. And that is a big deal, that Shiba Inu is moving like that and creating that type of further adoption and expansion. Now let's go ahead and see where Shiba Inu stands on the list of cryptocurrencies most visited and trending. So when we go through the trending list, Shiba Inu is not on this list, okay? Dogecoin is, but Shiba Inu isn't. That is something to be aware of, but the fact that it's holding itself up and it's moved up so much without being trending, I can only imagine what could happen if it ends up being trending. Now, on the most visited, it was in the top 3, top 5 in the last several days, but now it is in the top 10. That is still pretty high compared to this whole entire list, and it is in the top 10 right now of most visited cryptocurrencies based off this information of this source. I look forward to seeing your thoughts. This is all big moves, further adoption, further growth, continues to be compared to Dogecoin, and then Dogecoin father, whatever he does when it comes to his Shiba Inu, the name of his dog Floki, and then also the breed, it's going to always impact the whole entire ecosystem of Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Floki, and all of those sorts as this continues to move forward. Elon Musk will have an indirect impact on Shiba Inu just posting his Shiba Inu dog named Floki, and the Dogecoin meme and community will also be a big part of it. And there's always going to be that battle, and as long as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu keep on hitting headlines of being compared, it is something to be aware of and pay close attention to consistently. But the growth for Shiba Inu's holders, the Shiba Inu coin community, it has been a big move, and it's going to be interesting how this continues to unravel. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.